Unlock the world of STEM with STEM K12 USA, your one-stop shop for all your STEM needs. Explore a world of possibilities. At STEM K12 USA, we offer a wide range of tools, resources, and toys that ignite curiosity and foster a love for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Unleash imagination with STEM toys. Toys aren't just for fun, they can be powerful educational tools too. Discover our collection of STEM toys that combine playfulness with educational value. Spark creativity and problem-solving skills in children while they have a blast. Get your hands on cutting-edge STEM tools. From robotics kits to coding platforms, we have everything you need to bring your STEM projects to life. Our carefully curated selection of STEM tools empowers students and educators alike to embrace hands-on learning. Elevate learning with school tools. We understand the importance of providing educators with the right tools. That's why we offer a variety of innovative school tools designed to enhance classroom experiences and engage students in interactive learning. Stay ahead with cutting-edge electronics. We believe that technology plays a crucial role in advancing STEM education. Explore our range of electronics that enable students to delve into coding, circuitry, and more. Stay ahead of the curve with our top-of-the-line electronic offerings.